Okay. So I'm at the shop. Water receded finally today, enough for us to get in here. It's not as bad as I thought. I mean, all of this was, the water got it about up to, I don't know if you can see the line here. So it wasn't too bad. It looks like it got about up to about 9 inches from the bottom. All my projects over here are ruined. Yeah, none of these are gonna be, I'm gonna have to throw all this away, unfortunately. The Neolithic club that I was working on, yeah, you can see that's waterlogged. I don't know if that's salvageable or not. I'm just gonna leave stuff to dry for now, because this is gonna be an undertaking. Probably all the wood over here, yeah, all this stuff was up against the wall. That's probably all ruined. I'm gonna have to, you can see the water line on the walnut there. I'll have to come back. Doesn't look like it reached the bats though, so that's good. All these are probably gonna have to be either, some of these might be salvageable. I'll cut the parts off that are waterlogged and see what I can make out of the parts that are dry. But I mean, it sucks. Spent the last year putting this shop together, and pretty sure all my belt sanders and stalls and stuff over here are probably ruined. I'm gonna wait probably until next week. I'll come back and test all of my tools to see what still works and what doesn't. Unfortunately, the water level is gonna rise again tonight, so anyway, I'm just gonna bag up what I can, try not to cry, and get the hell out of here. Don't worry, people. Warrior Weapons will be back. It's just probably next week I'll start cleaning everything up, and we'll get back to it. As always, link to the shop is in my bio. Warrior Weapons, I'm out.